Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Pinna, and you're looking at its congenital anomalies. So the first term is microtia. Microtia stands for the small pinna. Then comes anotia. Anotia stands for the absent pinna. So it is nothing but absent pinna, and also the stenosis of the EAC. So it is also the stenosis of the EAC. Next is the bat ear. Bat ear is referring to the absence of the antihelix. So there is absence of the antihelix. Then comes Mozart ear. Mozart ear is for the fusion of the helix and the fusion of helix and the antihelix, that is H and AH. Then we look at the Wildermuth ear. Wildermuth ear. So Wildermuth ear is nothing but absent helix. So this is nothing but the absence of the helix. Then macrotia. So we started with microtia, small pinna. So this macrotia, as the name suggests, is the large pinna. It is nothing but the large sized pinna. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.